So today I've got this tool, a lady brought it to me, and as you can see, the back dowels, the wooden dowels, these two right here has been broken. So we have to replace these with new wooden dowels, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Very simple. So what we're going to actually, some of these has got staples in them, so you have to be careful. You don't want to break this piece. So let's change them out. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these out. I've already got them out. So we're going to take them out. We're going to take this one out. This is the only two I'm going to change out. And as you can see, the black one is a little bit smaller than this wood dowel here. So you can't always buy the same size wood dowels. So I'm going to show you how we can sand these down to make it fit in those holes. It's very simple. So you can buy these wood dowels at any hardware store. And these, what we're going to do, this is a little bit too big for the hole. So I've cut these two pieces. So most people will take a sandpaper and try to get it thinner. And that takes a lot of work. You don't want to do that. So they do this kind of stuff here, and I'm going to show you a simple way of doing it. What you want to do is take your drill. And why I cut these so long is because one of these has to go into the drill. And what's going to happen is it's going to make a little indentation in this wood dowel. But we'll come back, we'll cut that off. Stick this into your drill bit. Tighten it up. And I used to start about, you can do a 60 grit sandpaper, or you can do a 120. I like to start with about 120, work my way up to a 1500. What you want to do is put your sandpaper on this. And just go up and down. That should go all the way to the end. You can see all this sawdust coming off the spindles there. I kind of hold it kind of tight. $220. So we're going to go up to another final grit. The more you go, the smoother it gets. And then we're going to try 400. This is a 400 grit. We're almost done. And you can check it every so often, see if it's going to fit in that hole. But make sure if it does fit, make sure it's nice and smooth. So now we're going to take the dowel off the drill, and we're going to see if it's going to fit. Fits good. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a pencil. It's down in the hole here, so we ain't got to take nothing off. So we're going to pull this back. So this is going to go in the last hole at the top. So I'm going to just mark it right here. And I'm going to come back a little bit. You don't need a whole lot in this hole. You can tell how deep it is. It's really not that deep. So I'm going to go right here. And that's where I'm going to make my cut. Okay. My two finished projects, I'll have to go back over and touch them up a little bit. But I'm going to start with my shortest one, which is going to be this one. It's going to go here. Like so, in the hole. We'll have to tap it down with the hammer. And this longer piece goes in this hole here. So I'm gonna take my rubber mallet, I'm just kind of hit these, put these in the hole. Now on the side here, you're gonna have a little wedge that's gonna come out. This is what keeps this piece in play. It's got a screw back here you have to take out. I've already took it out. That keeps it in play. So I'm gonna lift this piece up here. Now it does not come up this easy. I've got it already taken out. So I'm gonna put this piece in this hole. On that hole, and this on that hole. I'm gonna just kind of tap it down. Then I'm gonna take my rubber mallet and make sure it's secured. Make sure this is straight. Looks good. I'll go back and I'll touch all this up, then I'll spray it. I'm gonna put my wedge back in play here. I'm gonna tap it in. You go back and you put your screw back in. And that's how you replace spindles in the back of a chair. Thank you for watching. Share, like, and subscribe to Watch Woodworking. Thank you.